Yes, any drone-based mapping, surveying, and also aerial photography needs permit. And there are two types of permit. One is from the CM, which require the authorization to fly (ATF), and for JUPAM, requires the aerial photography permit for geospatial data. Normally, 7 to 14 days for CM and 5 to 10 days for JUPAM, and it can vary by state. Borders area, military facilities, government buildings, airports requires additional approvals. For the application permit, you can apply by CAM through their official portal, and also for JUPAM, you can apply through their state office.